Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making the best sweet potato pie ever. You guys just have to try this one. All right, the ingredients will be in the description box, so let's jump right into this video. So I washed and I am folding my sweet potatoes in some foil paper. You're going to bake this until it is nice and soft, and it's really hot right here, guys. Then you're going to remove it, put it in a nice clean bowl, and we are going to mix this until it is really nice and smooth consistency. Then we are going in with our eggs, our cinnamon and nutmeg, some allspice vanilla extract, and we are going to continue to whisk this in. We're going in with our half and half and some brown sugar, melted butter, and we are going to continue to mix. All right, when it is nice and smooth, you are going to pour this into your pie crust. Now I purchased this from the store. I'll also leave a link to make the pie crust in the description box. I really didn't have the time, so this is what I used. All right. Looks absolutely amazing. This is going to bake for about 35 minutes, and this is the results, guys. Perfection. It tastes absolutely delicious, and I hope you guys try this recipe. If you guys are new to my channel, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button, like, share, and leave a comment. Also hit that notification bell. You guys have a wonderful Thanksgiving. See you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.